If you want to clear your search history in Outlook 2025, follow these simple steps to ensure your past searches are removed. This can help maintain your privacy and declutter your search suggestions. Step 1. Open Outlook. Launch the Outlook 2025 application on your computer. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access the search bar. Click on the search bar located at the top of your Outlook window. This will activate the search tools and display your recent search history. Step 3. View recent searches. Once the search bar is active, you will see a drop-down list of your recent searches. This list shows all the terms you have previously searched for. Step 4. Clear search history. Look for an option or icon that allows you to clear your search history. This may be represented by a clear button or an X next to individual search entries. Click on this option to remove the search history. Step 5. Confirm deletion. If prompted, confirm that you want to clear your search history. This step ensures that you are intentionally removing the information. By following these steps, you can successfully clear your search history in Outlook 2025, helping to keep your searches private and your workspace organized.